Everybody, I'm back with some more thoughts here. Lately, my wife and I have been watching television. We're working our way through Masked Singer, The Twilight Zone, All in the Family, to name a few. I was watching Dancing with the Stars until the dumbass voting public voted Mira Sorvino out, and I said, fuck this, I'm done. So anyway, while we've been watching the TV, we've been seeing these goofy ads, you know, like Alexa do this, Alexa do that, and they got this thing that's like you can post pictures of yourself, and it can tell you what you should wear, and what goes what with this, and what, you know, what goes with that. And I thought, you know what? You know what the best way to decide what to wear is? Personal style. Just go into the store and hold a shirt up to yourself and go, do I like this or do I not? Everybody's got to rely on some computer or some kind of app or assistant or some bullshit to tell them what to do. What the fuck happened to thinking for yourself? Like today, I got up. Now, I had nothing to do with Alexa. I got up today, I don't even have an Alexa. I think in Mississippi they call it Billy Joe Jim Bob. Yeah, I made a joke at Mississippi's expense. So what? Have a sense of humor. I'm from New Jersey. Anytime I hear a funny New Jersey joke, I laugh. So if you got a good one, good New Jersey joke or any kind of funny joke, leave it in the comments below. So anyway, I got up today, I'm like, I think I feel like wearing my Hartford Yard Goat shirt. I feel like wearing my Kiss Unmasked shirt. That's it, that's what I wore. Now, I don't know what all this stuff is like. You gotta load a picture in a computer that'll tell you what to wear. And then they got this Alexa. Alexa, turn on the lights. Alexa, turn off the lights. Flush the toilet. I mean, I don't think it flushes the toilet, but, you know, maybe I'm crazy. I just like to get up and do things for myself. If I need the light turned on, I'll get up and turn it on. Do I decide I want it off, I'll get up and turn it off, or my wife happens to go out into the room where the light's on, where the switch is, and she turns it off because she had to get up. That's fine. So one of us will get up and get the light. Now I guess if you're incapable of thinking for yourself and need a computer to make your fashion choices for you, go with it, I guess. Not my choice. I don't know, it just seems crazy to me. I mean, you know, Alexa do this or Siri will do that, you know, but I don't know. Now if I install Alexa, is it going to wipe my ass for me, or am I going to have to do that myself? I'd rather do that myself. Now there might come a day when I won't be able to do that myself, and I'm like, I don't know, 108 years old and I'm shitting in my diapers or something. But I'm not going to say, Alexa, wash my ass. I'll have a nurse to come around and do that. Preferably a real hot nurse, like, say, Pam Grier from Coffee. That would be like the hottest nurse ever. So, of course, by the time I'm 108, I think Pam Grier would be about 33 or something. And, oh man, that'd be great if she lived that long. Because I love Pam Grier, and we just lost a great Richard Roundtree. And I love Richard Roundtree, a great actor, so we just lost a national treasure. We can't lose another one. And then we also just lost Richard Mole, Night Court fame. God, I don't know. All the greats are passing on. So hang around, Pam Grier, hang around. But anyway, I don't know, it just seems like thinking for yourself is going away to Dodo bird. And frankly, with some of these people I've seen in these commercials where they need help choosing their fashion, I think I'd rather they go away and we bring back the Dodo bird. I think the Dodo bird can think for itself.